I'm Sarah.
I'm Heather.
And we're Open Orange.
We're both mums who are passionate about designing beautiful and practical family homes. And for the first time, we're taking you behind the scenes
on our brand new Dream Home series. I really wanted to make the home feel like we were on holiday while in our own home.
We've got 3 kids each and we've built nearly 20 homes while raising our young families.
And that's taught us a lot about how clever and well thought out designs can really impact the way you live. It's got a bit of interest.
Well, I don't know if I want to show you what's in here.
Got it.
We're taking all of our experiences from the past decade
and showing you how we designed and built Dream Home 5 Modern Aussie Resort. You'd be flippin' mad to miss it.